Amici di Omoto.it, buongiorno, benvenuti in un nuovo video. Io sono Song, ho appena assistito alla presentazione del nuovo modello sementi zero dell'azienda Horwin e adesso ho il piacere di scambiare due chiacchiere con il loro fondatore CEO, Mr. Zhou Wei. So, thank you very much for accepting this interview. Let's start by talking about the brand of the Horwin. When was it born? What was your inspiration when you founded the brand and the mission and the philosophy of the Horwin brand?
Well, the Hoving started the registrations in 2016. Really moving inside for this kind of business or say do this thing. The first, I'm a motorcycle lover. My hobby is like driving motorcycle.
Yeah.
When you're walking around the world or sea, the motorcycle always gasoline, but the electrical car is
Yeah.
already there. And also now the motorcycle is not only a tools, but also is a toil for the people. About always the noise and also pollution for the airs. So we're thinking, if the motorcycle come to green, take the people more power and more fun, that's will be make the earth come to green. This is the first thinking. And the second, we are thinking the motorcycle is not only a tools, mobility tools, but also it can be empower the human being in the future, not only for the from point A to point B, but also can empower you can do many things. That is what we really would like to do in the first. So since 2017, we registering Hove in Europe. The first place we do is in Europe. We're thinking this is a really good place for start of Hove brand and the Hove product.
Yeah, because Horwin is a Chinese company. Yeah, it's Chinese with something European because the design of Horwin is from Austria, from a company in Austria.
Actually, the
Right.
Hoving is a global company. We are not only have a Chinese team, but also in Europe, Australia we have team, like in Italian.
Yeah.
Now we have a Hoving Italian, France, Netherlands, is globally. The design not only in Europe but also in China. Technology also China and also get many ideas from Europe also. It's a global team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is interesting is that they decided to start here in Europe first and then go to the Chinese market, which is quite interesting. And I would like to understand the reason behind this decision. Why first in Europe and then in China? Because a lot of Chinese companies start first in China and then go to Europe. But you did the opposite.
The first thing I think for my opinion before, because I have been traveling around the world. I go outside a lot of, half time stay in China, half time outside of China. When we're looking around the world, I found Europe is really a good place. It's also open for all the new technology, new items. And the second thing, Europe, for the motorcycle, the people really love it. Like now in Italy, the Italian people like the motorcycle. Most of the famous brands around the world, like Ducati, like other brand, the Piaggio is there.
Yeah.
All the global brand, most of them is in Italy, and also Europe, other countries like KTM, also in Austria. I think this place is a good place for our technology and our products. If we are successful and acceptable for European guys, it will be easy to outside of Europe, acceptable by other countries.
Yeah, China included.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now, how many countries are you selling? Do you sell your product now? Europe?
European country,
Yeah.
and also we have Hoving American. Also we now have Hoving China, Chinese market. Actually, and also we have Hoving Latin American, like in Brazil, Colombia, and some other countries. And also now we have a very good market in Africa also. Yeah, it's globally already.
Perfect. And in Italy, how is things going? Everything is okay. Are you satisfied with the result because you are already selling in your product here in Italy, right?
Yes, I think Italian we are okay, but I think we can be good because Italy is a so exciting and good market for the motorcycle, especially for the L3E. The people like driving motorcycle. I think we need to do something more and in this market. Let people more and more driving heavy motorcycle.
Yeah, and you started when you came to Europe. You started with a distributor, right? But then, starting from November, you will have your own retail shop, right?
Before, for first generation products, we go for the retailer and also the distributor channels. But for second generation products, because this product is totally different.
Yeah.
Why we start a flagship store? Because we would like to this shop not only to selling products, most of them is training the customer to tell the customer what different of having like cementy products, different with others. Because this product is totally different previous one. So training the customer, teach the customer, and let people know more about our technology. This is really what we like to do. It's not say we are direct selling, it's not like that.
Perfect. So let's talk about the product of Horwin. What is your competitive advantage compared to your other competitor?
I think the first thing, we have the Uni platform. Horwin built a platform specialized for the motorcycle, electrical motorcycle. Normally people buy electrical vehicles thinking should be faster and long range and also should be price reasonable. Yeah. Normally people know in the electrical vehicle, if you would like to go faster, you need a bigger motor. If you need a bigger motor, long range, you have to big battery. If a battery big, the weight will be more.
Yeah,
when weight more, it will be less range. It's always impossible triangle.
Yeah.
Is securing in this. So we are building the platform, reduce the weight, and improve the efficiency, and the price is come to reasonable. Let's make this platform in the future Horwin building the vehicles. Just change the outside of frame, change the plastic part, change the outside of the design. That's easy. That's similar like the building electrical car. You use this platform and building different type of the vehicles. This is the first thing.
Yeah.
We have a Uni platform. This is Horwin is globally first one motor battery controller building a platform. This is the first thing.
Yeah.
The second, Horwin this have safe balancing technology.
Yeah.
That keep safe of the driver. When the fall down, can be help you keep balancing. The second, and also can reduce the driving skill. When the people find the bike is not fall down, it can be easy to drive. This is, and also we treat the electrical motorcycle not only a tools, but also is a smart and intelligent electronic items.
Yeah.
They can study and collecting your data, and also in the future can give you more connection like your cell phone, laptop, and many items. This is totally different.
The same reason, same thing happened to the electric cars.
Electric car, yes.
More connectivity with the devices.
Right.
So yeah, talking about your product, because I just attended the presentation of Cementy Zero.
Yeah.
It was fantastic because they have, we in Chinese we call black technology because there is some characteristics that we have never seen before, like the cruise control, adaptive cruise control. So how did you achieve it? Because the first thing you have to manage is the balance, because motorbike is just two wheels.
Yeah.
So in order to make them run, and have adaptive control, adaptive assistance is quite difficult. So how did you achieve this result?
Well, I think the first thing, if any technologies come to true, is based on the team. Our engineering and technology team is come from like a two-wheel segment and also four-wheel segment.
Yeah.
Electrical cars, we have many guys who come from electric car. For like you're talking about the cruiser and also the controls of balancing, all is based on the first. We have this idea. We would like to do the vehicle, let the driver, let the people come to convenient in the future. Based on this basic idea, we development. I think all the technology is based on the people have the idea we would like to do, and then you put your all the effort inside it to development. Find the right person, find the right technology guys, and then join together developing. So that's why since 2016 we started until now we are launching products. It's so many years in the development. This is really hard work and also heavy investment.
But the product is very beautiful and interesting, you know.
Thank you.
From 0 to 100 kilometers to only 2.8 seconds.
It is.
And the range is 300 kilometers. So it's very impressive. So I was impressed. And for the consumer here in Europe, there is still concept that the product made in China, they are low quality. So what do you think about it, and how to convince European people and Italian people that the product made in China, they are not what they used to be 5 or 10 or 15 years ago. So there is totally different. They are totally different.
I have to say, now today the China is totally different. For example, right now you use the watch, you like this micro, DJ,
cell phone.
the cell phone, it's made in China. Like the earphone, it's also made in China. Many items right now, the globally people use it. It's made in China. That means China now is totally different. The technology and the quality, service, all is in the globally brand, globally standard. And also specialized in the new energy area. You see the battery, you see the electric car, and today you see the electrical motorcycle. Whole the chain in China is fully there. We have the technology for the battery, we have technology the motor, we have technology the controller, we have technology the whole bikes. That is our strong base now today. China is come to totally different before. Now it's come to strong, specialized in a new energy area. As I see now today in China, 2023, electric car is come to more than 30% in China. And also the two-wheel segment, all of them is electrical. We have the strong base of technology.
Yeah, that's right. And I also like to invite people, to try the product and to see with their eye and to touch with their hand, to see that the product quality is very high.
Right.
So yeah, and another concern of the consumer, because when I talk to the people who loves, going with the motorbike or other when they buy other product, Chinese product, especially for the car or for the motorbike, they are afraid about the spare part, because if something breaks and they have to replace with something else, with the new spare product, they are afraid that it takes a lot of time to change the parts. So do you have this problem, and how do you tackle this problem?
The first thing I have to say, Hovi right now is not a business. It's a creating global brand. The branding, we are very concerned, the brand image. So the first thing, technology. Second is quality. The third is the service. You have to do more than 100% service. Let the people convenience and trust in you. What Hovi right now do? For example, right now in Europe, we have a Hovi Austria. We have a central warehouse, we have a technical team, and now we also have the Hovi Italian, and also we have Hovi Netherlands, and also now building the Hovi France. We have the team here, we have the spare part stock here, we have a central warehouse here, and even every month, Hovi China technical guys fly to Europe, make the service and the maintenance, and also the local team make the service maintenance. Let people in the short time get the service. That's make people trust in your brand. This is really what we do now.
This is very important for people, consumer who buy the Horween product. And talking about the future, so what is, what will Horween brand be within 5 years, according to you?
I have to say, Horween, the first is a Chinese company, but now it's come to global. In the two-wheel segment, Horween would like to be in this segment a global brand within the 5 years, a leading brand, and the leading technology, leading quality, leading service come to a leading global branding. This is really Horween right now to do. For example, in the four-wheel, when you're talking about the electric car,
Yeah,
the first thinking, okay, Tesla.
Tesla.
I hope in the 5 years, when people talking about electrical motorcycle, first thinking Horween. This is what really right now would like to do.
That's right, that's right. Just like, what Jack Ma says, don't be the best, be the first on the market.
Right.
Okay. So, thank you very much, Mr. Zhou, for this interview. I really appreciate the Horween product. Quindi, ragazzi, è stata una bella chiacchierata con signor Zhou. Spero che avete apprezzato questa chiacchierata e avete preso tante informazioni sui prodotti Horween. Quindi non ci resta che salutarci e ci vediamo al prossimo video. Ciao ciao!
Thank you.